Hi, welcome to another episode. We've come for a day out at Wavebreak Island, but this time we have a drone. So we're going to get you hopefully some really cool drone footage. Gary's just taken it off. There it is. And the beauty of being in the Monday Club, as we are today, there's hardly anyone here. So we've got it all more or less to ourselves. Really beautiful. After this, we'll probably go over to South Stradbroke, get some drone footage over there. Speak to you soon. There's my sand angel. That one didn't come out too good. And Gary's still flying the drone up there somewhere. He's this mysterious person sitting on the beach with the tail over his head so he can see what he's doing. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Love being in Monday Club. Basically, Wavebreak Island is just a sand island off the Gold Coast, uninhabited, no one lives there. It's really beautiful. You've got the marine life, bird life, really tranquil. Obviously you need a boat, canoe or paddleboard to get over to here, because it's not too far from the mainland. Just, if you look over there, you can see apartment blocks. There's a bit of a sandbar in between, so if yours paddleboarding, you could probably get to there and then continue across. It's a really beautiful spot in the middle of the busy Gold Coast. You come over here and it's just stunning. Look at your new drone.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
I say new drone, you only have a drone.
Only have a drone,
First
yeah,
drone.
Not a new one.
You finding it hard?
No, it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to fly. It's just got to do all the right things, pre-checks, pre-flight checks. Yeah, once you get out there, it's easy enough to fly. And no dramas at all. Love it, absolutely love it.
So
it's a DJI Air 2S.
So though you're a beginner, you still found it reasonable?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, complete beginner, but it's pretty easy. I can't, to fly it around, and I mean the aerial shots you get are amazing. Actually, as you probably see, but. Yeah, brilliant. Lovely being here, isn't it? The Monday Club. Oh,
it's stunning.
Can't beat it.
So you've heard it first from Turtle Tracks. Get yourself a Air 2S. Brilliant.
Awesome.
I've tried to be brave. It's still winter on the Gold Coast. I know everyone thinks it's, well, it is, I suppose it is gorgeous weather all the time, but the sea temperature's a bit cold. But I'm going to try and get in. Ooh, I've gone above my knees. Gary's still droning. Right, after 3. 1, 2. Oh, it's cold. This is all for you guys. 3. Oh. Oh, I mean, once you're in, it's refreshing. Oh, it's lovely. Let's have a look round. Be nice to see some dolphins, but maybe not today. Stradbroke Island. Just going to pull into Tipler's and grab some lunch. Fast forward a week because we left South Stradbroke, the clouds rolled in, wind and rain, so we aborted, went home. Week later, back out on the Broadwater. We're going to take you over to South Stradbroke, hopefully get some amazing drone footage and have an awesome day. See you later. So we've rocked up on South Stradbroke. There's our little boat parked up. We're going to have a coffee, and then Gary will send the drone up because Denise ain't allowed to fly the drone. Denise.
Don't lie. You are allowed to fly the drone. You let me do it. Denise
is very clumsy.
Yeah, and I think
I'm not going near the drone. Not flying the drone.
You can fly the drone. You've had a go.
I've had a little go.
But yeah. Oh, look at it. So you need to fly over it. God, there's no way you're getting that drone in your hand.
There's no hope.
I can see it diving into the water and crashing.
Yeah. So Gary is drone master.
I am drone king, and that is how it's going to stay. All right.
Okay, so Gary set up the drone, and we're just about to take off. Over to the surf side of South Stradbroke. Gary sent the drone up to get some footage and found this like little homemade little camp. Obviously some kids have come over here and made it out of all the sticks and stuff, but it's pretty cool. It's giving me a little bit of shade. Awesome. I might the lens, I always make that mistake and you get all water blobs, but I don't know if it's clear or not. I'll use my hat. Water's really clear today. Normally there's loads and loads of boats on the weekend and it's really churned up, but as it's Monday there's hardly any boats here. It's really clear. It's just gorgeous. Oh, there's the drone. Coming in.